Assalamu alaikum kids. Hope you all are fine. Today we will learn estimation. Please open your book page number 14 and 15. The Urdu meaning of estimation is andaza lagana and English meanings are to find approximate figure and to find estimated figure. Look at the numbers shown 8, 8, 2, 7, 5, 3. What do we get when we round off this number to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000? First, we will round off the nearest 10. When we round off a number to the nearest 10, we look at the digit in the ones place. And what number is on the ones place? Yes, 3. Since 3 is less than 5, we round off 53 to the smallest 10, 50. So, 882,753 approximately equals to 882,750. Yes, the number on tens place was 5 and we looked at the ones place which was 3 and 3 was less than 5, so we round off 53 to the nearest 10 which is 50. Now we will see how to round off a number to the nearest 100. Look at the number on the hundreds place, that is 7. To round off 7, we will look at the number on tens place which is 5. Since 5 is equal to 5, we round off 753 to the bigger 100, 800. What is the bigger 100 than 700? Yes, that is 800. So, 882,753 is approximately equal to 882,800. And for the rounding off to the nearest 1000, we look at the digit in the hundreds place. To round off nearest 1000. Since 7 is at the hundreds place and 7 is greater than 5, we round off 2,753 to the bigger 1000, that is 3000. So, 882,753 is approximately equals to 883 and 000. Approximated figures and estimated figures are used for convenience. What do you notice about the number of zeros at the end of these rounded off numbers? Yes, when we round off to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands, the rest of the digits at the right side will replaced by zeros. Dear students, now we will solve practice zone. We will round off the following numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. The first part is 4,567. Rounding off to the nearest 10. And what number is on the tens place? Yes, 6. To round off 6, we will look at the ones place. Yes, 7. As 7 is greater than 5, so we will round off the 6 to the nearest bigger tens. And what is bigger than 6? Yes, 7. So 67 will be rounded off to the 70. Now we will round this number to the nearest 100. To round off 5, we will look at the tens place. As 6 is greater than 5, so we will round off 500 to the nearest greater 100. And what is greater than 5? Yes, 6. So 567 will be rounded off to the 600. Now we will round off this same number to the nearest 1000. We have to round off 4. So we have to look at the hundreds place, which is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. So we will go for the nearest greater 1000. And what is greater than 4? Yes, 5. Now we will round off this number. First we will round it off to the nearest 10. As you can see, for rounding off 4, because 4 on the tens place, we will look at 5 and we will compare with 5 with 5, and 5 is equal to 5. So we will go for the nearest greater tens. And what is nearest greater 10 to the 4? Yes, that is 50. In the same pattern, to round off this number to the nearest 100, we will look at the tens place. To round off 3, we will look out at the 4, and 4 is less than 5. Always we have to compare with 5. The number we have to look for rounding off, we will compare with 5. And if that number is equal to or greater than 5, then go for the nearest greater number. And if the number is less than 5, then go for the nearest smallest number. So here we can see we have to round off 3, so we will look at the 4. 4 is less than 5, so we will go for the nearest smallest 100. And what is the nearest smallest 100? Then 345 is nearest to the 300, not 400, 300. So we will write 12,000 as it is and round it off 345 to the 300. Now we will round off the 1000 to the nearest 1000. 2. We have to round off 2. So we have to look at the 3, the number on hundreds place. And as we know, 3 is also less than 5. So we will go for the nearest 1000, smallest 1000. 2000 is the nearest smallest 1000, that is nearest to the 2345. So we round off 12,000. In this same pattern, you have to try these two remaining parts and then match your answers with these given answers. Hope you understand. If you have any confusion, you can ask in group. Good luck.